Did you know that 90% of consumers search online before making a purchase? Digital marketing has become the ultimate game changer for promoting products and services. But the question is, are you leveraging it effectively to grow your brand? Stick with me because I'll show you how digital is transforming promotions and, most importantly, how you can make it work for you. Let's start with the basic. What exactly do we mean by digital promotion? It's not just about running ads on Facebook or Google. It's about using technology, data, and creativity to connect with your audiences where they spend most time online. I really want to share some key statistics that is very important for you to understand. By 2025, this year, digital ads will make up 75% of global ad spends. Over 60% of consumers prefer brands that interact with them online. Let me know in the comment, do you trust brands more when they engage with you on social media? Why or why not? Let's discuss. Traditional marketing, TV ads, billboards, print media has its place, but it struggles with two big challenges: reach and measurement. Can you track how many people actually bought your product after seeing your billboard? Probably not. Let's take a small business owner named Priya. She used to spend 10,000 a month on newspaper ads but couldn't tell if they were driving sales. After switching to Facebook ads, Priya not only halved her budget but also doubled her revenue. Why? Because digital lets you measure every click, view, and purchase. Have you faced challenges with traditional advertising? Share your story below. So how's digital marketing solve these challenges? Here's how. Precise targeting. You can show your ad to a 25-year-old gamer in New York who loves pizza, all thanks to data-driven platforms like Google Ads and Meta Ads. Next is cost effectiveness. Unlike a TV ad cost millions, a YouTube campaign can cost as little as $50 and still reach the right audiences. Isn't that amazing? Next is engagement opportunities. Live chats, polls, and social media comments allow brands to interact directly with customers. Next is global reach. A small brand in India can sell product to someone in Canada through e-commerce. The possibilities are endless. What's your favorite platform for product research? Instagram? Google? YouTube? Any other? Let me know. Let's look at some real-life success stories to inspire you. Nike, this is my favorite. Nike turned their Instagram into a storytelling platform. Instead of just selling shoes, they focus on athletes' stories, gaining millions of followers and brand loyalty. Next is a local bakery Instagram success. This bakery in Mumbai increased sales by 300% after posting daily behind the scenes videos on Instagram. Customer loved the transparency. Which case study resonated with you the most? Comment below. Now it's time to take action, right? Here's a simple framework to get started. Define your audiences. Who are you targeting? Be specific as possible. Do your own research. Understand your patterns. Understand your behavior. Your customer is everything and they are very active on social media. Use the analytics to understand their behavior. Next is choose the right platform. Focus on where your audience spend the most time: Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. And once you nail down the platform, check out what kind of creatives resonates with your target audiences. Next is create valuable content. Don't just sell, educate, entertain, and engage with your audiences. The next is measure and optimize. Use analytics tools to track what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy accordingly. Your task: choose one platform and post content consistently for a week. Then share your result with us in the comment and you will see the magic happening if you be consistent. Let me quickly address some common questions. Number one, do I need a big budget for digital marketing? Absolutely not. Start small and scale up as you see the results, right? Next is which platform is best for beginners. Instagram and Facebook are great starting point. Start using that. Next is how often should I post? I would recommend at least 3 to 4 times a week to maintain visibility. And here's a one step. Start small, but start now. Digital promotions aren't about perfection, they're about consistency and learning as you go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more actionable tips and strategies. And hey, don't forget to share this video with someone who needs a digital marketing push. Until then, be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.